Question of the day: why do I overthink every decision? I'm gonna keep this one short because I've been in this boat a lot of times, but let's find the constraint with this person or a constraint that could actually lead them to a decision. Why do I overthink every decision? Usually you're trying to eliminate uncertainty. Usually you're trying to eliminate uncertainty before making a decision. So you're trying to be 100% positive that the decision is going to work before you make the decision. There's no decision you usually can make that can give you 100% guarantee. Well, there's a couple. If you jump off a building, yeah, you may not, depending on the size of the building, you may not land right, or you may not live. So why are we wanting to have that much certainty? Because we don't want to face the unknown. We don't want to possibly face fear. We don't want something bad to happen. This older lady said this a long time ago. She said, instead of trying and aiming hard to just make the right decision, make a decision and then make it right. If it was bad, if it didn't work the way it should have worked, make it work, make it right. But usually you're trying to eliminate some uncertainty before you make the decision. And that's going to leave you in a constant loop of needing more information or wanting more clarity when you already know you can make the decision, or you start asking a lot of people for advice on the same problem. Like, you know what you should do, you know you should just make the decision, but that you need everybody's opinion. And what that usually does for some people, if they're not careful, because I've faced this before too, is you start not to trust yourself, and you start to become a person who is just good at thinking and good at brainstorming, but you start lacking execution. So here's something that you can do if you find yourself with this constraint. Trust God to just do what he can, and you do what you can. There are some things you're not gonna know. No matter how good the decision is, you won't know ahead of time. And sometimes it's not revealed easily because you could easily talk yourself out of it. So trust God to do what he can with what you don't know, and do what you can with what you do know. But make the decision to go do that today. Comments or questions, drop them in the chat. And as always, we're opening up for people who want to come on the show. It's live podcast, and we just talk about what's holding you back. Like, you know what you should do, but why are you actually stuck not doing that? We would love to have you. Just reply underneath. Be good, be great.